At present moment, it is not possible for me directly to see transcendental form of the Lord. Krishna says, I am there in every atom. बहुत लोग बोलते हैं भगवान सब जगह है, मंदिर आने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं. हाँ, सब जगह दिखता है क्या? सब जगह है, लेकिन आपको दिखता है क्या? एटम में भी है, दिखता है. एटम तक नहीं दिखता आपको, क्या दिखेगा भगवान? बोलना आसान है, सब जगह भगवान है ना? लेकिन दिखता नहीं है, इसलिए मंदिर आना पड़ता है. And then, so there are 3 levels. Even I discussed last time, it is not easy. आसान काम नहीं है. DT में विश्वास होना, भगवान के नाम में विश्वास होना, प्रसाद में विश्वास होना, ये आसान काम नहीं है, बहुत मुश्किल चीज़ है. ये भी आसान नहीं है. वो इतने सारे लोगों को बोलते हैं मंदिर आओ, क्यों नहीं आते? They have no faith. They have no faith. This is Krishna. They think कुछ. So to even develop that, कोनो भाग्यवान जीव. Some rare soul gets that faith. Guru Krishna Prasade Pai Bhakti Lata Bij. By the mercy of Guru, it is revealed. By the Acharya, the Dham is revealed, the deities are revealed, the holy name is revealed by the Acharya. Prabhupada reveals it for us. Correct? Otherwise we knew, but we didn't care. Did we care? I was in Delhi whole life. I never went to Vrindavan. Did not know what is the special value. So it's the Acharya who reveals the Dhama. Correct? जब तक हम कृष्णा कॉन्शियस में नहीं आए, कोई वैल्यू नहीं था, बट इतना वैल्यू आ गया. फिर प्रसाद का वैल्यू, भगवद गीता का वैल्यू, हरि नाम का वैल्यू, प्रसाद वैल्यू आ जाता है. It becomes very, very special. So what is important here is that first level is that we understand what? We understand, we become fortunate too, but we are not. So therefore Krishna is helping us. Because in the previous chapter Krishna has ended, Yoginam api sarvesham badgata antar atmana. Among all the yogis, the devotee is the highest. He ended there. But now he is not leaving like that. Aisa nahi, he is very kind-hearted. Now he is telling you how to become a devotee. 7th chapter also he says, Maya asakta mana partha. Arey baba, attached ho jao mere se. But he knows why these idiot children cannot get attached. It's very difficult for them. So telling how to get attached. Therefore he said in previous shloka, Rasoham of Sukhan, they have taste of water. चलो यही सोचते रहो. जब पानी पियो Remember Krishna, because that is Krishna's gift. You cannot create water. Prabhas means Surya. You cannot create sun and moon and the sunlight, moonshine. You cannot create. When you see that, you remember Krishna. ठीक है? But इसका ये मतलब नहीं हो गया, दो गलत मतलब निकाल सकते हैं. हाँ, Krishna is saying, I am the taste in water, so Krishna is water. ठीक है, फिर पानी की पूजा करो. ऐसा भी हो सकता है ना. Krishna is saying what that? I am the smell in the earth. चलो मिट्टी की पूजा करो. ये नहीं बोला. ये बोला क्या है? तो पीपल का मतलब एक नया तत्व निकाला हुआ है मूर्खों ने. महामूर्ख, मूर्ख भी नहीं, महामूर्ख. यथोमत तथोपत. जो आपको मन करे वही पूजा करो, वही भगवान है. असली में भगवान का कोई रूप नहीं है. ये आप इमेजिन कर लो कुछ. आपको मन करता फूल, वही आपका भगवान है. आपको चाहिए आप पहलवान है तो आपका भगवान हो गया हनुमान. ये क्या बना दिया आप लोगों ने? कहाँ लिखा है ये सब? So this is, the problem is people don't have proper guru to run spiritual life. They want to practice without any guidance, so they end up in a khichdi. It's a transcendental science. It requires teaching. Okay? It's actually Achinta Veda will actually be able to explain this. Krishna is saying, I am, आज क्या बोला? I am the smell of the earth, Punya Gandha. I am the original fragrance of earth. Sadava Gandha nahi, asli. Original, the smell of earth is very pleasing. Even आप गौशाले में जाए, the smell is very pleasing. बहुत अच्छा लगता है वो smell. You feel so happy in that smell. True? You feel actually, even stressed person become stress free. He just sits in a goshala. One person was telling me, he's the president of a temple and he has 500 cows. Meaning Tirupati. He was telling बहुत लोग आते हैं, बहुत टेंशन है. तो बोलता ऐसा करो, मेरे गौशाला में जाके बैठ जाओ एक दिन बस. तो वहाँ आदमी बैठ जाए और क्या करोगे? बैठो जब करना. तो दे कीप चैंटिंग देयर एंड गाय को देखो क्या ऐसा बैठा रहता है वो शांति से. एंड द स्मेल ऑफ द काउ डंग, ही सेड दे बिकम आउट ऑफ स्ट्रेस जस्ट बाय सीइंग अ काउ इटसेल्फ. Because cow is an animal, the only animal which is sattvic, very sattvic animal. This Rajoguna, Sattoguna is affecting everywhere. Even we have some birds which are very sattvic, who go to the clean places, correct? Overall, birds and animals, they are put in the Tamoguna, but there is some Sattoguna touch in certain animals and some birds. We can see that all birds are same, not all animals are same, and cow is given so much respect in the Vedic culture. There are so many reasons. So the point was that original fragrance of earth, the real fragrance are so pleasing. And then, and you, not only that, in the earth there is smell of the rose. You put the seed of the rose, you have nose. अपने को तो बड़ा एडवांस टेक्नोलॉजी बनाते हो ना, ठीक है? आपको एक मिट्टी देगा, निकालो फ्लावर का रोज का स्मेल इससे निकालो. You can't take it. And you put a rose ka seed, it takes out the rose smell. So earth has the smell of the rose also in it, but you can't take it out. But Krishna can take it out. So there Krishna is saying, in the next sloka he says, I am the seed. Then I says, I am the heat in the fire. The proper said fire is very important. That energy is needed. You need for cooking fire, the heat in the fire. That energy you need. Krishna said, I am that. So what is the difficulty to understand? And Prabhupada continues to say, actually, the stomach, there is another, the subtle. It's not like aag lagi rehti jaise lakdi se. No, subtle. There is some fire in the stomach. ठीक है ना? That is also Krishna. That also you can understand. And then, what is Krishna saying? I am the life of all that lives. Prabhupada says very interesting point here. It says that Krishna is in control. He can increase your life, he can decrease your life. When he came to the Mahabharata Yuddha, he just looked at the Kauravas, and just by seeing he finished their life. उनकी जिंदगी खत्म कर दी बस. इतना ही जो काफी है. Prabhupada said, just by glancing, their karma में भी अभी उसको 100 साल और जीना है, उसको 50 साल और जीना है, बट सब इतना जी ले बहुत है, खत्म. Krishna can change. And Krishna can increase your life also. There are some we can fight against death. There are some instances. Even Prabhupada, when he was in America, he told the disciples, please pray. When he fell sick, our master has not finished his work, and they prayed. All the temples in ISKCON, they were praying for Prabhupada. to Narasimha Deva. If you so desire, please accept. And then what happened? Prabhupada continued. Prabhupada said, thank to you, you increase my life. So that way, actually, we can even fight over death, if you need. But generally, devotee is not very keen. It's like today I was coming back, on the way was Shankaracharya Matha. What is the place called? Sringeri, on the way. And Shankaracharya, we know, lived for 32 years only. 32 years, this contribution, you cannot do it in 1 million years also. 32 years. He is Shiva himself. He is not an ordinary personality. Correct? So there is no point simply living like a donkey. Live for 2 days. Do something wonderful. The Prabhupada says, better a few moments of bright consciousness than a life like a donkey. Correct? Some trees are also living. Many people think today, if I can live long, they go to doctors. Doctors, please help me. I want to live long. But my point is, some trees are living very long. What's the use? What is the use to live that long? Correct? So better to live few days in good consciousness. And it is on Krishna's hand, your life. Okay? That is also. And then, I am the penance of all ascetics. That's also very important. Penance of all ascetics. All tapasvis. Krishna says, I am the penance. How do we understand this? First thing is that tapasya is divya. Tapo divya. Hiranyakashipu also the tapasya, that is ugra karma. That is nonsense. That is not tapasya Krishna is referring to. Krishna is referring to tapo divyam. A tapasya which is guided. That should be your attitude. That kind of tapasya is going to attract Krishna. And without tapasya, if you want to get Krishna, that is called sahajiya, making cheap. Don't make it, Prabhupada says. It's a very simple process. Don't make a joke out of it. That's all. Four things I said. Intoxication nahi karne ka, gambling nahi karne ka, illicit sex nahi karne ka, meat nahi khane ka. ये चीज़ें बहुत मुश्किल हो गई हैं. When Prabhupada was in India, he asked people, can you practice these 4 things and chant Hare Krishna? No sir, we cannot do. It's not that India or America, for Prabhupada it was the whole world as Krishna's children. True? He tried. And he was asking everybody, if you take up the process, the result will come. Okay. Just like in medicine also, it's a science. You put the process, the result will come. You put hydrogen, you put oxygen, पानी तो आएगा. Correct? तो प्रोसेस को फॉलो करेंगे, भक्त तो बनेंगे ही. Krishna is very loving, he is very kind, and it's a blessing of the Acharya. Anybody accept the process, guaranteed he will advance his spiritual life. But people refused. नहीं कर सकते. बोलो हरि नाम जप करो. ये क्या है? मेरी दादी करती है. तो गीता पढ़ो. वो सब माइथोलॉजी है. तो क्या बोलेंगे लोगों को? So he could not convince. Even now, situation is very difficult. We tell people it is so difficult. What do you say? People are not ready to accept process. And without tapasya, they want to see God. ठीक है. देखो ना, तो भगवान दिखा रहे हैं कैसे देखना है. जब रोज को स्मेल करते हैं, that is Krishna. देखो. People say, भगवान दिखाओ. दिखा रहे हैं ना आपको. दिखा रहे हैं. कृष्णा बोल रहे हैं. रसो मुंह आपसे कौन दे? पानी पी रहे हो ना, that is Krishna. This is the way to see now. For an ordinary man, this is the way to see Krishna now. You taste water because Krishna says manmana bhav. But we can't think of Krishna. Krishna's lotus feet. Krishna is dancing with gopis, gopas, his mother Yashoda. Wonderful pastimes are going on, but we cannot see that. Can we see? Anyway है गई. कोई है भाई आँख बंद करा भगवान की लीला शुरू हो गई. ऐसा तो है नहीं. तो अभी हमारा स्थिति में ये हमारे लिए बोला गया है. So when you taste water, that is Krishna. So that way you keep remembering Krishna. Who doesn't drink water? पानी तो सभी पीते हैं. पानी पीते, that is Krishna. कभी सूर्य को दिखता है, that is Krishna. Moon को दिखता है, that is Krishna. If you don't get addicted to your mobile, you definitely go out sometime. You know. There was now so many people have made wonderful videos. Mobile addiction, TV addiction. If you give up TV and mobile, then you will go out. कभी चंद्रमा भी देखोगे. You know, previously they used to joke. Our parents, हमारे जो माँ बाप होते थे, they used to struggle to bring us inside the house. बेटा अंदर आओ, बिकॉज हम पूरे दिन खेलते रहते थे बाहर. अभी उल्टा है, उनको बाहर भेजना पड़ता. बेटा जाओ ना, जाते ही नहीं बाहर. वो छोटा एक मोबाइल में फंसे रहते. अरे बाहर जाओ, थोड़ा खेलो ना. नहीं. उल्टा हो गया. तो हमारे टाइम में तो बट अंदर आओ ना, अंदर नहीं आना, बाहर ही खेलते रहते. इवनिंग 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock we will be playing and everybody people come inside. No, will not come inside. अभी उल्टा बाहर जाओ ना. In fact, there was a college also, I remember, they had a huge problem. Students used to fight like anything, and it was in Manipal, that engineering college. Very difficult it was to manage that college. They gave everyone laptop those days. Finished, no fight. Everybody after class straight runs to the room. They get 24-hour Wi-Fi. He is on his table till night 3 o'clock, not going anywhere. All problems solved. So in that way, it is not good. So our situation should be therefore that we should advance in Krishna consciousness. So first thing is that because we are for a beginning, and we are also beginning, see, we are at advanced level meet, it includes lower level. Like if you are in Bhakti Yoga, it includes Karma Yoga, it includes Jnana Yoga, it includes all the yogas. Bhakti Yoga is the summit. Karma Yoga is there, we are offering our work to Krishna. Jnana Yoga is there, we are trying to understand Krishna, correct? It includes. So similarly, when you become devotee, these things are anime there. A devotee, when he sees a rose, Savara Jangama Dekete Ketanatara Murti, Sarato Yesha Deva Spurti, that is the definition of Mahabharata. He is saying Krishna all the time. So don't think this is not for me. I thought I advanced ho gaya. Nahi, aap bhi practice karo. We are totally conditioned now. We are conditioned to the variety. We are attracted to the variety. So Krishna is saying, when you look at the variety bites you. Instead of that, remember Krishna. When a pure devotee sees a rose flower, he thinks how to offer to Krishna. Everything he sees, he thinks, connects it to Krishna. So remember Krishna always in that way. Okay? That is important to meditate in this level. But at the same time, there are two confusions can happen. One confusion, some people say that we can worship a rose now, you can worship water now. No, sir. Krishna is Jagat Avyakta Maya Tatam Idam Sarvam Jagat Avyakta Murtinaha Massani Sarvabhutani Nateshu Aham Avasitaha. Krishna says, everything I am permeating, but I am not there. When Prabhupada many times talked to Mayavadis in India, he kept quoting this shloka. Because they don't understand, this is Achinda Veda shloka in Gita. Krishna saying, Avyakta, in an unmanifested form, I am present everywhere. By my energies, I am present everywhere. But I am not there, I am in the spiritual world. This is a secret. This is the Mayavadi log ko ye shloka samajh nahi aata. This is one Bhagavad Gita which shloka supports. The Prabhupada says, Achinda Bheda Abheda Tattva hai. This is Krishna, but at the same time Krishna is separately situated. The second confusion people create is that because Krishna says, I am rose, flower, everything, so Krishna has become that. Krishna is finished now. Krishna is not finished now. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya. Prabhuji knows. Purnameva Vishishyate. And this they do know. Yagna ke time they sing this. Swaha. I saw sometimes. So Purna, so Krishna is, so many Purna unit come out of Krishna, but Krishna remains as it is. Krishna does not reduce. So we should understand there is no reduction. Don't give material calculation of Krishna. Krishna is transcendental. So in this way we should understand. So as you practice Krishna consciousness in tapasya, and one thing very, very important, again to remind, last time we discussed that very important point, Lakshmi is scared, Krishna may reject. We discussed the example of Rukmini. She fainted when Krishna said that, better you go back to Shishupal. Why you married me? कहाँ आ गए भाई? मैं तो इधर पानी में छुपा हुआ हूँ. मेरे पीछे किधर आ गए इधर? He was just playing with her. Because Rukmini doesn't get angry. She is very devoted. So he was playing with her. I think you made a mistake marrying me. Still not late. Whole life you will get waste. Better you. He will be very happy. He'll keep you like a queen. You were just playing with her. And she just fainted. So Prabhupada points that Krishna, what she felt, Krishna may reject her. Okay, na? So same way we should feel that. We should feel that actually in the same way Krishna can reject us. We should not feel proud. Never feel proud. Krishna can reject our devotional service. Not that I am doing such nice chanting, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare Krishna, Krishna will accept me. No.